done. Okay. So there we go. You've done 2 rounds. The second round is much, much better. Just one little tiny minor mistake. They probably won't get that. So I have no doubt you're going to pass your road test today. Unless something really weird happens. You never know. So let's back it out. We'll get it set up there at the road test center. Back to the same spot. Get you to the first part of that. So this time here, you just stay further away from the bumpers, right about here. See where the door is, the shipping door? Just kind of straighten it out so the car is in line with that. There, that's good. You'll have a better turning radius to get in there now. You'll be able to get in there in one shot, pretty much.